back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have a few customer service jobs, some data entry jobs, and a bank hiring. Most of these don't require any kind of college degree, and we've got pay that ranges around $25 to $30 an hour. One customer service job even pays literally $30 an hour. So we've got some well-paying remote work from home jobs for you today. Of course, as always, links, timestamps, any additional information you need to get to these pages that I'm sharing, put those applications in, as always, in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you're new here to this channel, welcome. We search the internet daily, Monday through Friday, searching for the best work from home jobs that are available and sharing them with you, trying to weed out all the scams and the not so good ones on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, you can also make sure you're subscribed and have those YouTube notifications turned on. Now, first up, we have the well-known clothing store Hot Topic hiring. Hot Topic has 2,300 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Hot Topic is hiring a customer service representative. This is remote, and please note this role is 100% remote as long as you are not in California. So they don't currently hire outside of or in California. You've got to be located in any other state, and they have two different shifts available. Both are Monday through Friday, so no weekends are required. One is 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The other one is 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you'll have to convert your hours if you're outside of that time zone to see if those hours will work for you. But Hot Topic has a website. They have those retail clothing stores. They also have a website that you can shop from. And so they are looking for somebody just to answer those calls, emails, and chat, resolving customer issues and providing amazing service to those customers. So you are going to use your product knowledge of the products that Hot Topic carries to suggest items to customers or properly inform them on product choice, product prices, things like that. You will provide any feedback that you get from these customers up to management as well. So you are going to have to be very patient. You're going to encounter customers that need extra support, extra attention, or, might need just that empathy. So you need to make sure that you can hone in the tone of voice and the effort that you're putting in. So you're going to get to know Hot Topic's process so that you can properly inform customers on different things like their order status, product availability, and just managing all of the customer expectations around that. Now, they are only looking for somebody who has 1 year experience in customer service or a call center environment. So you don't have to previously have been in a call center. They do take regular customer service, which can be like working in retail, working as a server in a restaurant, anything like that. Somebody who has good computer skills, because you're going to have to navigate around a computer and enter notes and things into the system while you're talking to these customers. They do get a lot of email and chat, so you'll have to be able to type pretty fast and have a quiet space in your house. Now, this one pays a little bit on the lower end. It pays anywhere from $14.50 an hour up to $15 an hour. Now, moving on along, next up we have a Global Payments hiring. Global Payments has 1,400 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Global Payments is looking for a payment operations representative. Again, this is remote for the United States, so this is going to be like another customer service position. Good thing about this position, it pays a little bit higher. Pay is anywhere from $21.71 an hour and goes up to $27.46 an hour, depending on the experience and skills you bring to the table. But Global Payments is a payment technology company, so they are looking for somebody to support those daily payment transactions, like processing high volumes of virtual credit card payments on behalf of their clients. So you're processing these payments, researching and resolving any payment issues with multiple methods of payments. So you're going to have to investigate and record the root causes of what caused the payment issue. You'll offer support through phone and email, troubleshooting any payment issues that come up. just trying to build strong relationships with those external and internal partners. Now, they are looking for somebody ideally who would have some kind of college degree in a related field or strong customer service experience, 2 to 3 years of customer service experience. So if you don't have a degree, you've really got to have that experience. They seem to say that they will waive that experience in lieu of a degree, but you've got to have great communication skills, great attention to detail, of course, great computer skills. You've got to know how to use those basic computer systems like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, and Adobe Acrobat, like for PDF documents. Now, next up, another very high-paying customer support job we have is from NerdWallet. NerdWallet, if you don't know, I personally use NerdWallet. They have a mobile app that you can download that offers things like credit score monitoring and budgeting, different things like that. It's basically a financial app. They have 229 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a member support specialist. Now, this is going to be a 1099 contract position. It is remote, based in the United States. And so they are looking for somebody to provide account and technical support and share financial guidance to NerdWallet's membership base. So this means that you're going to help members use their NerdWallet account, their free account, which is like the one I have. They also have a paid subscription account. So you're going to help people with like their credit score questions, product recommendations, and more across all of their communication channels. Now, they don't ever name in this job description what their communication channels are. I use the app, and most likely it's going to be like email, website, chat, and app-based. So I'm assuming most of this is going to be through like social media, app reviews, things like that. Most of it's going to be non-phone. I don't know if they do have a phone number for those paid subscription that you can call. So just know that going in. I'm not sure if this requires phone work or not, but you're troubleshooting and resolving all types of account issues. You're also responding to those outreaches such as app reviews or social media DMs, and just learning and continuously growing your knowledge about the product and platform so that you can help contribute to the team's success. They are looking for somebody who has prior experience either in technical support or customer service. It doesn't say that you've got to previously have any kind of phone support. They want somebody who's familiar with those online ticketing type systems like Zendesk, Jira, Slack, Google Suite, all kinds of online platforms and software. Somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who is going to be confident and take ownership of an issue and making sure that they figure it out, and somebody who is willing to nerd out and learn about credit and personal finance. Now, pay for this position is $30 an hour, and it is 40 hours per week. They're looking for somebody to work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time. 5 days a week. They're going to include one weekend day, so just know it is going to include some weekends, but it is high paying at $30 an hour. And if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to verify that that works for you. If you're not into the customer service though, and you want to do something more like data entry, Cablecom is hiring. Please note, Cablecom only has 40 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. So please, as always, do your own research on any companies before providing them your personal information. But Cablecom is looking for a data entry specialist, and this is remote. Pays anywhere from $22 an hour up to $26 an hour. And so they're looking for somebody with knowledge of general office procedures, computer skills to just do data entry. And their data entry is going to be related to their employees. You're reviewing employee time records on the daily, making sure that they're accurate and legible within the state wage and hour regulations. So making sure that they follow basically labor laws. You might have to correspond with your internal teams and local departments, making sure deadlines are met, but you're basically entering these time records and stuff into the system, processing daily, weekly, and summary production reports, and just providing all that administrative support like the data entry duties, verifying the data, and preparing those reports and documents. They are looking for somebody who is 18 years or older, can work in the United States, has great organizational skills, great attention to detail, and can use computer equipment like a Microsoft Office, software systems, things like that. And again, pay again for this one is anywhere from $22 to $26 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Sterling Hiring. They have 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Sterling is looking for a public records specialist, again, virtual remote work from home for the United States. But they are looking for somebody to process their clients' criminal services, conducting research and reviewing court documentation, meeting the firm's deadlines. So you're working on various database platforms, processing the client's product request with strict deadlines. So they are a company that works with other companies to do like background checks on people and things like that. And so you're processing these requests for the criminal background checks. You're conducting online validation searches using court, state, and government sites, which they will surely give you access to. You'll be reading, reviewing, and understanding the court documents and statutes, ordering court documentation when needed. You will also have to do some phone work with this one, contacting the clerk of courts, attorneys, and probation offices by phone and email as needed to get detailed case information. Just confirming all applicant personal identifying information is in compliance with all of the laws and protocols. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of relevant work experience. They prefer somebody who has call center experience. A high school diploma or GED is needed, but no college degree is needed. And they say if you have a background in criminal records or criminal justice, that's a plus, but it's not required as long as you have at least 2 years of office-related experience, like administrative type experience. Other than that, you do have to have the ability to understand legal terminology, great attention to detail, great communication skills. Pay for this one is $15 an hour. And next up, we have a First Citizens Bank Hiring. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a business support specialist. Now, this is a little bit of a midday off shift. They're looking for somebody to work 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so this position is remote with somebody who lives in the Eastern Standard Time zone. So this branch of First Citizens Bank that is hiring is in Raleigh, North Carolina. And so they're really looking for somebody who lives in the Eastern Standard Time zone. They are looking for somebody to support their bank product services within their business unit by managing accounts, portfolios, and packages specific to the line of business, including creation and termination. So you're going to have to do like routine data entry, processing different documents for account creation or account closure and termination, just making sure that all of the documentation is accurate and in compliance with federal rules, regulations. You're going to perform all of operational tasks on account management during a customer, vendor, and associate inquiries, just developing those relationships with the bank customers, helping them achieve the business goals and streamlining the service that the bank gives to them. Now, this only requires a high school diploma or GED and 2 years experience in either operations support or customer service experience. So as long as you've got 2 years of customer service and a high school diploma and live in the Eastern time zone, you are good to go. Now, they do have some preferences that is not required, but will get you to the top of the line for an interview. Those include having a bachelor degree, having experience with Salesforce, and of course, somebody who lives in that Eastern Standard Time zone. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $18.10 an hour up to $31.38 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I always do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.